Do you have a low income or no income? Are you sick and tired of your job? Do you just want to start something to slowly get you out of your job? Or do you need to get out of your job right now and have an income to replace it? Today we're going to have a look at 4 different side hustles that can replace your income from your daytime job and have you earning good money in no time at all. And these 4 side hustles, anybody can start without any education or any training. I'm going to show you how you can make about $1,000 a week or more with these 4 side hustles that I've personally used myself. Method number 1 is freelancing. If you've got skills in social media or graphic design, then why not use them to make an income? If you're into social media, logo design, website development, or social media management, then you can turn that skill into extra income. Using platforms like Upwork or Fiverr, you can advertise to get work immediately and start earning an income straight away. Just log into these websites and create yourself a bio. When you're making yourself a bio, make sure to really sell yourself, advertise yourself, and promote the benefits that you're going to have for these people. You're going to advertise in things like building a website and show them things that you've already built. Display your website or photos of your website on their platform. If you're creating a logo, you can advertise those logos that you've already created on the site to show people that you're capable of doing the job that you're advertising. Make sure you put your best work on there to advertise it, because first impressions will count. You won't get a second chance, they'll just choose somebody else. So put your best work on there and show it off. The good thing about these platforms is you can negotiate your prices. The work that you do, you don't have to take every job that you're offered. You can knock back stuff and only take the work that's going to be beneficial to you, easy for you to do, your niche type thing. And then you can charge whatever you want for that work. You would be your own boss. Once you do agree on a job and a price, make sure you stick to the terms of the contract. Make sure you get it done on budget in the right time, because these platforms operate on reviews. So if you do a job for somebody, they give you a bad review, you may not be likely to get the next job. So make sure that you do the job on time, on budget, the best quality you can do, and you'll get a good review for it, and then you'll get another job. Freelancing not only gives you financial freedom, but it also gives you work on your own terms, and you can work the hours you want for the money that you want and in the places that you want. Side hustle number 2 is probably my favorite. It's dropshipping. Dropshipping is a retail fulfillment method where you don't have to keep any stock in a warehouse. You don't have to pay for rent for a warehouse. You can work from wherever you want, whenever you want. Instead of keeping stock, you advertise what you're selling on a website, and then once it's sold and you've got the money for it, then you contact your wholesaler, purchase the product from them, and then get it sent directly to the customer. Because you never have to keep any inventory, it means your startup costs are extremely small. Once you've set up your website, done a bit of advertising, you're up and running, and you can just keep on selling and get the whole thing automated. With dropshipping, it's hugely flexible. You can work on your shop for only an hour a day if you wanted to, from anywhere, your house, your office, a coffee shop, a holiday resort, out of your car. Doesn't really matter. You can operate from anywhere where you have an internet connection, and you can take a laptop with you. Dropshipping is hugely scalable. There's many dropshippers who have created multi-million-dollar incomes. It can be as small or as large as you like. It depends on your ambition. With dropshipping, there's a huge product range. You can dropship anything from a pen to a car. There's many furniture dropshipping businesses. There's many sporting dropshipping businesses. And of course, knickknacks for your household gear if you want. You can make dropshipping your full-time job, but start small. Get used to it, work out what you do, make a plan, and then build it from there. It's definitely best to choose a niche in something that you love for dropshipping. So if you're a car enthusiast, you might want to dropship car parts. If you love makeup, you might want to dropship makeup products. But choose something that you're interested in, so that if customers have questions, you can answer them very easily and truthfully. With dropshipping, customer support is a massive thing. It's probably a bigger aspect in dropshipping than it is in a bricks and mortar retail store, because you've got to build a relationship with the customer and be known to look after them. There's no face-to-face with dropshipping, so you really have to be on the ball with your customer service. List your terms and conditions on your website so customers know what to expect. It will be important to find good, reliable suppliers dropshipping. You don't want to be ordering something and then the supplier tell you it's out of stock. Then you have to explain to the customer that you haven't got the item and you have to refund them. So make sure you find really good suppliers, and then once you're set up, get everything automated using places like Deezers or Zendrop, so that it makes the fulfillment process a lot easier. Zendrop are always a very reliable company, and you can easily drop ship things with them, and once the order's put into your website, it's automatically sent to Zendrop, and Zendrop will fulfill it. There are other companies like that as well, like I said, Deezers or CJ Dropshipping or do those sort of things as well. So that brings us to side hustle number 3, which is affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing is almost like making money while you're asleep. Affiliate marketing is done by setting up a sales process or funnel for another company's products. And when it sells, you earn a commission on that sale. You can be an affiliate marketer for companies such as Amazon, eBay, ClickBank, ShareASale, and a huge amount of other companies. For example, if you're a sales affiliate for Amazon, you simply choose a product on the Amazon platform, write up a review about it, do a YouTube review about it, put your review somewhere where there's a lot of traffic, like YouTube or your website, and in your review, leave your affiliate link and tell people to buy from your affiliate link to give them some benefit. Then when they buy that product from, say, Amazon, you'll earn a commission from it of, say, 10%, 5%, whatever the affiliate commission is. You can also use an affiliate platform like ClickBank, selling anything from health products to building products. You go on there, again, create the sales process or funnel to lead the customers to click on a link. Once they click on that link and purchase the product, you make some money. The great thing about affiliate marketing is that once the funnel's set up or the process is set up, it only needs to be set up the once, and then customers will keep on getting filtered through that funnel and purchasing items from your link, and you'll over time earn lots of money. Affiliate marketing may take a number of months to set up, but it's there forever then, and you'll continue to make that money. Once it's set up, you don't have to do any more work to get paid. It's not uncommon for full-time affiliate marketers to make a 6-figure income. Side hustle number 4 is probably the easiest, print on demand. Print on demand is where you set up a website and find any product you can that you can print on, market that to people, get it printed, and the product is shipped directly to them. Sort of like dropshipping, but in a different way. So if I wanted to get this t-shirt printed up, I'd make up a website, put this t-shirt onto the website and sell it. People would then go put this slogan on it, like "My dad's the best." That will then get sent straight to the print on demand platform, and they'll print it and send it on to the customer. So if you wanted to offer cups for sale, you'd advertise the cup without the writing on it, and then in your website you'd have a section where people can write what they want printed on the cup. They'll write the comment that they want printed on the cup, they buy the cup, then once paid for the item, it automatically gets sent to the print on demand company. They'll print whatever logo or whatever it is they want on the cup and send it directly to the customer. This business can be set up totally automated, so you don't have to do anything except answer customers' questions. Once the print on demand place gets it, they'll send it off to the customer. They'll log the tracking information into your computer. The customer will get the tracking information, and it's all done easily and happens automatically. Print on demand can be very lucrative, and there's plenty of examples of print on demand companies that make well over 6-figure income. So how do you set up a print on demand business? Step 1, set up your website and decide what products you want to sell. Step 2, link it to print on demand platforms such as Printful, Teespring, Redbubble, and companies like those. You just have to do a Google search to find any others that you want to. Upload the designs of the products that you want to sell. Advertise your products on social media such as Instagram, Facebook, TikTok, even places like eBay and Etsy. And once you've done your advertising, you're away and ready to go. These 4 side hustles we've just gone through, I've actually set up and done each of these, and I know how hard or how easy it is to set them up. And on each one of these, you're making money almost straight away. It's not hard at all to get them profiting more than $1,000 a week. And then you can scale them up to however much you want to. It just depends on what your ambition is and how much you want to earn. So I hope this video has been helpful for you. If it has, please hit the subscribe button and go to our channel and watch all of our other videos as well. There's more in-depth videos on our channel to help you set these up. We'll see you in the next video.